You can see the difference between the beam and the carbon fiber. Here today talking about our wall lock system, which is our carbon fiber bracing, which the awesome thing about this is you can see it's only about 1/16 of an inch thick on your wall. So you can paint right over this, not even be able to see it, and it gives you all the structural strength of an I-beam. It's actually better than like this, which is an S77 I-beam. It actually gives you better strength in that. And so the way this works is we laminate with a saturating epoxy, which soaks into the concrete and then laminates this carbon fiber to the surface of the concrete. And so what that effectively does is it makes it where this concrete cannot bow in the center, because it would have to stretch this carbon fiber, which is about 100 times stronger than this concrete. And so it would have to stretch the carbon fiber, which it won't do, so the middle of your wall won't bow. Now this is where most carbon fiber beams stop. So they've got the carbon fiber laminated, and then they just have this little bracket at the top that holds it, which doesn't stop a wall leaning. So if your wall starts to lean, these carbon fiber beams by themselves won't do anything unless you have a big old steel plate at the top. So the steel plate here holds the top of the wall in, so the wall can't kick out, just like when we install steel beams. And then the carbon fiber that's laminated to the surface every 6 feet, 5 to 6 feet apart, makes it where the middle of the wall cannot bend. So you effectively have your wall can't tip in and your wall can't bend. Completely braced and paper thin. You can see the difference between the beam and the carbon fiber.
Here, we've driven the Jeep up onto it, so it's entirely supported by a single strap of the unidirectional carbon fiber. And you can see that that strap is carrying the weight of this truck on these blocks. We installed this last night at about 8:30. The epoxy is still slightly tacky as we're dealing with some cooler temperatures here, but you can see that by 2:30 the next day, it's able to sustain considerable loads, even in these cooler temperatures that we're working in here.
So click the link below or call us today and let's schedule you an appointment to get that foundation fixed for life.